Hello, my name is Tom Askell, and I'm the author of an exciting new book on the stock market. It's called The Complete Guide to Investing During Retirement. Now, what makes this book so exciting? Two things. First, as the title implies, it's written for the retiree. Now, why for the retiree? Because the retiree has special needs that are not addressed by most stock market books. Second, this book is written with you in mind, the small investor, the guy who doesn't have the benefit or the money to hire hedge fund managers, brokers, and stock market gurus. This book will give you the knowledge and the understanding to be successful in the stock market. Today what I want to do is give you one example of the power of the stock market. Now this is a speculative example, and as you will learn in the book, the market has three types of opportunities. It has investing opportunities, trading opportunities, and speculative opportunities. The one I'm talking about here is primarily a speculative opportunity. Now what makes it speculative is that you don't have very much history to go on. When you're an investor, you really are going on a lot of history and extrapolating that history forward. When you're trading, you're working with the charts, basically trying to guess which direction the crowd is going to go. But when you're a speculator, you are envisioning a future. There's no real history to point you into the direction that the future is going to take. But as a visionary, you have a sense that this is going to be an opportunity. Now the opportunity that I'm talking about, or at least we're going to look at today, is called Hanson Beverage Company. The Hanson Beverage Company makes natural sodas and fruit drinks. Now they've been around for a very long time. And the sodas they make are very good sodas. They just cost a little more than the next guy's soda. They're not a Coca-Cola. You're not going to buy it 2 liters for $1. It's the type of soda that you pay a premium price for. That somewhat limited their market, and it certainly limited their ability to get into the mass marketing food stores like Giant Eagle. So basically, Hanson had a good product, and they had a good market niche, but they didn't really have a good way to get or reach that market niche. Then along came the health food craze. And retail outlets began to first provide health food sections, and then entire specialty stores like Trader Joe's and Whole Foods cater specifically to the market. Now what does that mean to the investor? Because Hanson is a publicly traded company, which means you can buy stock in it, you can buy ownership in Hanson. What it means is best illustrated by the following chart.
This is a 5-year monthly stock chart for Hanson Beverage. Notice through about 2001 all the way up until about 2003, it's a fairly flat chart. The stock was somewhere below $2 and basically trading up and down in that range. And then they began to grow. They got access to all of these health food stores like Trader Joe's and Nature's Bin and Whole Foods. This meant that their premium soda didn't look so premium compared to the other products in the market. And in fact, a shopper going into a Whole Foods store would be expected to pay a premium, and so they would not be shocked to pay a higher price for a Hanson beverage. The effect of this was to really give them an excellent outlet for their product. And as we said, their sales soared, but so did their stock price. As you can see, around June or July of 2003, the stock began to climb. And the number of people buying the stock, as shown on the volume chart, also began to climb. If you were a retiree and you had the skills and the knowledge and the courage to buy that stock in 2003 at around $2, by May of 2006, it was selling at a high of about $150. That means if you took just half of your retirement fund and invested it into Hanson Beverage, within 3 years, you would change $12,500 into $937,000. You'd have almost $1 million within 3 years. A lifetime of savings in just 3 years. That is the power of the stock market. And it is the power that you control through knowledge and understanding. And it is that knowledge and understanding of the market and of yourself that my book seeks to offer you.
Well, I think you can see from the chart that Hanson's a pretty exciting opportunity. It could make you a millionaire in just 3 years. But there's a lot more to learn about that chart than we've discussed here. So I would encourage you to take a look at my book and read more about Hanson Beverage and the other speculative opportunities that are in the stock market. But there is more than just the speculative opportunities. There are those investment opportunities and trading opportunities. And that's what my book is all about. My book is to help you fit into the market so that you can be a stock market winner, so that you can have success, so that you can play the kind of games in the market that you can win. I think you'll agree that an opportunity like Hanson is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And if you had the knowledge and the understanding to spot that opportunity as it developed, you would also have the financial security that you need in your golden years. And it's not too late to get it. That's the beauty of the market. That's the power of the market. And that's the power that you could hold in your hands if you were to buy my book. So as you can see, my book has some very interesting perspectives and opportunities in it. And I encourage you to go to my website, retireestocks.com. That's RETIREE stocks.com, to learn more about the book and how you can purchase it. It's a wonderful gift for an older parent, a grandparent, or for yourself if you're just thinking about getting into the market. And I encourage you to think about getting into the market. So read my book, develop some knowledge of the market, some understanding of how you can be successful in it, and how you, as an individual investor, fits into the market. And with that knowledge, and with that understanding, you will develop the confidence to be a successful investor and to secure your financial future. I thank you for your time.